Yeah, a nice day out here today. Got some stuff in here. What do you think's in the box there, guys? Eh? Well, anyway, here we go with got a Nismo catback on this guy. I think it might just be the stock Nismo exhaust. Really not sure. Bought the car a week ago. Got some test pipes and a Y pipe in there. We'll see what it sounds like before and after.
Like spinning in the 644. Cash money like 504. Raw like AD24. No sleep. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the trip, in my car, video. Secure the bag. I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save us. 10 my save on. Take to the top from the base one. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's a flex. Not human, I ain't from another planet. I'ma teleport my advantage. I'ma wake up, do damage. Join number 7.
Alright guys, wish me luck on this fucking bolt of death or whatever the hell you guys call that thing. Got me like fucking 6 extensions and all sorts of shit. See how it goes.
You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and a giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Alright, here we go. Just replaced all this bull crap right there with some proper shit from Z1. Got that Berk test pipes and the Z1 Y pipe. Now I'll talk about this demon bolt being a real pain in the ass. I'm not gonna say it was super easy, but I'm telling you, it wasn't fucking difficult. It took me about 2.5 hours from the time I lifted the fucking car to the time I got done. And I'm a fucking electrician, I ain't no damn mechanic. I just pretend to be one. I mean, I think it sounds a million fucking times better. I had this bullshit going on over here with this whatever the fuck Y pipe garbage this is. And that shit's shredded right there because it's fucking low, right? And it's just, I don't know, fucking shot. The cats were fucking throwing the engine code, all that shit. Put a new 010-2 sensors on the fucking test pipes. Fuck them cats. Who needs them fucking things anyway? Here's the, get some revs on it. You don't see what it sounds like. Haven't even revved it yet. Let's see. See what she does. sounds good, but we got something going on here. I don't know if y'all can see what's going on here. We had some little bit of smoke action coming up out of there. I'm gonna fucking inspect that shit real quick, see what's going on here. Oh, look at that, some smoke action. What the fuck is that? Oh, fucking leak tank, motherfucker. Get it on tight to the motor. I don't fucking know, guys. Figure it out. So I like the oils and shit they got on the fucking pipe. Who knows? It'll probably burn off. Alright, peace out. I gotta go have dinner.